Hi everyone. So I wish to speak to you about this book, Little Miss Death, which I've written with Satish Purohit, and the illustrations are made by my artist friend, Mamta Shah. So what is death, and why do we need to know about death and get comfortable with death? Why is it that when we lose a loved one to death, then it is too unbearable and difficult for us to adjust to that reality? Let us look a little more at death. What is really death? To look at death, we need to look at life. What is life? We are living every day. We are breathing, we are eating, we are looking at things through our eyes, we are hearing the things through our ears and tasting something with our taste buds. So, is it real? Whatever we are living, is this life real? Is this an illusion? That is the question we need to ask ourselves. What is real is hidden behind this illusory life that we live. And that is what we have to unravel in order to understand death. Does really someone disappear from our life forever? In the real sense. It's only the body and mind which doesn't exist anymore. But the soul is everlasting and it has always been there, it will always be there. This life that we see is everlasting because we are part of this larger source, the source from where everything comes and into which everything merges. Our consciousness merges into this vast source which is always doing good for us, and that is the reality. So we live this life to discover that reality, to unravel that mystery. Once we are able to get glimpses of this reality, then we always try to reach that state where we are completely peaceful. And that is what my book explores, to understand death in that way where we will not, really lose anyone. We don't lose anyone. We are all one and we are everlasting. And therefore, the grief of losing someone of the physical presence will be there, but to understand the larger reality, that is why we must try to understand this. And I wish this would be included in school curricula, because we take so many years and we miss the loved ones and it's a difficult experience, and then slowly we start getting the glimpses of the reality. So I wish this would be included in school curricula. Please read my book. It is available on Amazon, and take care. Lots of love to you all.